2003 Honda S2000 Roadster, Silverstone Metallic over red and black, 48,000 actual miles, 2-liter VTEC, double overhead cam, 4-cylinder. You think, oh, that doesn't sound like much of an engine. No, that thing will go.
Yeah.
And it's that variable valve timing. So it has a really, when you get up to that high RPM, it's the coolest sounding engine you've ever heard.
I don't think they're future collectibles. I think they're collectible now.
I think you're probably right. 6-speed manual transmission, brake upgrades, suspension upgrades, the whole 9 yards.
Yes.